Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to practice irregular verbs. Yes. Take out your notebook, write the title, and copy this chart. Also, please leave space number 1 to 15 because we're going to play a game together and you're going to write the base form of the verb, the past form, and the past participle. This is just an example. Okay, that's what you're going to do today. So let's start. Remember, all of them, you have to write them in the chart, and when you finish, you have to upload a picture of that to Classroom. So let's start with the number 1, send. Okay, copy the base form, send. The past and the past participle. If you're not sure right now, I recommend you to go to your vocabulary and grammar log on the last pages of that book. Okay, so you can tell me which are the answers and write them down. Okay, let's see. Send, sent, sent. This is one of the verbs that has the same simple past and irregular and past participle form. Okay, some verbs are like this: easy, send, sent, sent. I wanted to repeat them in order for you to memorize them easier. Number 2, think. Think is the same situation, so look in your book, your grammar and vocabulary log. Think, thought, thought. Okay, is the same form for the two verb forms. Let's continue with number 3. Now, make. Make. Same thing here. Made, made. Okay? Made, made. Make, make, made. We repeat them. Number 4. Come. Come to Canada. Come. This one is a little bit different from the previous ones. Come. Okay, look for it in your book. Come, came, come. Okay, we repeat the base form and the past participle in the same. Come, came, come. Number 5, catch. Catch. Catch, caught, caught. It's similar to think. Remember, the thing is thought, thought. Or teach, taught, taught. But this one is with C, caught, caught. Okay? Catch, caught, caught. Let's continue with number 6, the past forms of do. Do. This one is a little bit tricky, so please pay attention. Do, did, and then done. And if you realize, we use did as an auxiliary on many grammatical structures. Do, did, and then done as a past participle. Okay? Do, did, done. Number 7. Past forms of understand. This one's easy as well. Understand. Understood. Understood. Okay? Understand, understood, understood. Let's continue with be. Also a tricky one, but it's one of the most important verbs out there. So the passive be. Remember that be in the present is am, are. Like I am a teacher, you are a student. I am 3 years old, right? Now if we want to say that in the past, we use yes, was or were. Okay, this is the simple past. I was a Spanish teacher. I was, okay, you were in school. Was and were. And then being is the past participle form. And if you see, it's a little bit similar to the word be. Okay? Be, was, were, depending, was for singular, were for plural, and then be. Okay, copy them. Let's continue with run. Run for pizza. Yes. Run, run, ran, run. Okay, run, run, run. Again, repeat the base form and the past participle. Run, run, run. Number 10. What are the past forms of sell? Sell. Sell. Sold, sold. Okay? Sell, sold, sold. Copy it. Leave. Remember that leave is like you're leaving the room. You're leaving the house. Bye-bye. That is to leave. Right? Why are you leaving so early, for example? Leave. Left, left. Right? He left the room. She left the house. Left. We repeat them. Let's continue with go. The typical go. Right? You should know this one by memory already. Go, went, and then gone. Some verbs, some irregular verbs need a past participle that actually ends in N or has an N. That is a tip for you in order to remember. Go, went, gone. Now we have grow. 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 Remember this one as well. Grow, grew, grown. Grow, grew, grown. Let's continue with win. Like you, when you won your elementary awards. Remember? Okay, win. I already told you one answer. Win, won, won. Okay, won. I saw you. Won. You won your elementary awards. Number 15, become. Become Superman. Become. Become, became, become. You repeat base form and past participle form. Okay, with the O. Become, became, become. And the last one is teach. I already told you the answer a few minutes ago. Teach. The irregular form is taught. Taught. Repeat the pronunciation with me. Taught, taught. Teach, taught, taught. Okay? Now, I wanted to take a photo of this chart and upload it to Classroom. Also, I wanted to open this game, which is here, warwall.net. Okay, enter with your name and play this game is to practice more. I'm going to check the picture and your that you have played this game. Okay, so that will be all for today's tutorial. I'll see you in class, guys. Bye-bye.